Hi, welcome back, beautiful, beloved souls. This time a commentary, and the reason for the commentary is I think a PowerPoint would be a little bit hard to do, especially when we're talking about frequencies. And I had a thought, and this is why we're doing this commentary, and it's about frequencies of existence. Everything in creation vibrates. The smallest atom, the heartbeat of the earth, the hum of your own soul, all are expressions of frequency. It's the rhythm of existence itself. What we call matter is simply energy vibrating slowly enough to appear solid, while light, thought, and spirit move at faster rates, invisible to our ordinary eyes. You and I live in a band of vibration, a narrow sliver on the spectrum of reality. Our bodies are tuned to it. Our eyes see only light between about 430 and 430 and 770 terahertz. That's the rainbow we know. Our ears catch air vibrating between 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. Outside that range, the world is still full of sound. We just can't hear it. Bats sing above our range. Whales call below it. And the universe itself hums in tones far too vast or subtle for our senses. Within us, our brains also pulse in frequencies. Delta waves for deep sleep, theta for dreams and trance, alpha for calm, beta for focus, gamma for moments of expanded awareness. These frequencies shift with our thoughts, our emotions, and our consciousness. When you meditate, your vibration literally slows and steadies. When you panic or rage, it spikes chaotically. Everything we feel or think changes our energetic signatures. And beneath our feet, the earth itself sings. Scientists call it the Schumann resonance, roughly 7.83 hertz, a soft electromagnetic heartbeat that circles the planet. It connects sky to soil, lightning to ocean, and some say our bodies to the living field of Gaia herself. Many who are sensitive to energy can feel when that frequency shifts. When the earth's rhythm wavers, we do too. But there are other frequencies we barely understand. In the unseen layer of vibration may dwell forms we call cryptids, spirits, or beings from other stars. Perhaps they exist just beyond our sensory limits, vibrating too fast or too slow for us to perceive. But occasionally brushing our reality like two radio stations overlapping. When a person dies, what happens? Physics tells us that energy cannot be destroyed. It only transforms. So perhaps consciousness too simply changes frequency, moving to a more subtle band of vibration beyond our instruments and sight. Death may not be an ending, but a returning. Machines too are frequencies made visible. A radio broadcasts in kilohertz or megahertz. Televisions once flickered in waves of light and sound. Wi-Fi and phone speak in gigahertz, and the neural codes of artificial intelligence pulse in electronic oscillations of unimaginable precision. Even our own technology hums its own digital song, an artificial frequency that some say is beginning to blend with the human one. Now at CERN and other particle colliders, immense magnetic fields accelerate particles using radio frequency waves in the hundreds of megahertz. When they collide for a moment, frequencies of matter are forced into extreme. Some believe these collisions, including me, may open doorways between dimensions of vibration through science. Still, and it's described as studying building blocks of the universe. But every doorway begins with a vibration, and beyond Earth, the universe is itself music. Stars pulsate in millihertz. Galaxies radiate in megahertz. Gamma bursts scream in petahertz. Every planet, every nebula, every beam of light plays its note in the ground cosmic sympathy. Even space, silent to our ears, is a sea of vibration. The cosmos doesn't just send frequencies. It is a frequency. Perhaps this is the secret of creation, that we are not separate beings, but instruments in an infinite orchestra. Each soul, each thought, each word sends ripples through the field, altering the melody of existence in ways we cannot measure, only feel. Harmony heals, discord divides, and so the frequencies we nurture within ourselves matter, not just for our well-being, but for the collective song of the planet. Whether human or alien, organic or artificial, all things vibrate. The question is not whether we are connected, but whether we are in tune. Thank you very much for watching. What do you reckon? So, we think this is solid, but it is not. And I've always been fascinated. I'm holding the pen. Where does the pen start and me? Because at the moment, we're both vibrating and I'm touching the pen. So where's the edge of me and where's the edge of the pen? Quantum physics has always fascinated me because quantum physics is very much along the line, string theory especially, along the line of my spirituality. Again, appreciate any and every of you. Drop a comment and take care of yourselves and each other. Love, light and blessings. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Bye.